Onto delayed it,
given away by Fenerbahce. Rooney, Lingard had to fetch it from behind him. Pogba, that's beautifully done. 3-0. Pogba at the double. Beautiful strike from the world record signing.
Got to say, what a touch from Lingard in the middle. You know, sloppy play from Fenerbahce, giving the ball away, but Rooney was alert. Bad ball from Kier. Rooney was alert, but just watch this touch from Lingard. That one there, and the way it passed to Pogba, who's just curled it into that far corner. Eyes on the ball, knew exactly what he was doing. Fantastic goal from Pogba, second of the night. What a finish.
And that was the last kick of the half. Jose Mourinho celebrated it and went off for his trademark early walk down the tunnel with his team 3-0 ahead, enjoying this. So's Paul Pogba, so are the 71,000 fans. Manchester United run